Hello guys, welcome to Concept Recap channel. I hope you are doing well, and today we are going to explore how we can test if something is a solution of a differential equation. So we have 5 questions in this video, and as usual I sent the videos in the PDF, so if you want to practice in your free time, you can do so. I will put also the link in the description below. And let's start with this question. So the first question is this: that which of the following functions is a solution of a differential equation? So we have this differential equation, y prime minus 5y is equal to 0. So as we said in the concept video, we said that if the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, then that is a solution, is one of the solution. And I said that a differential equation or an ordinary differential equation may have more than one solutions. So, and in this is the same thing. So whereby we may have more than one solutions in the multiple choice given. So I will solve some of them, and maybe I may leave some of them. So if you solve it, if you practice on your own, you find that I skipped some of them. So let's start testing. We can start with y is equal to 5, but if you see y is equal to 5, if you find the derivative of a constant, it will be 0. So if you substitute, then you have this can never give you 0. So that one is not a solution. So quickly, let's try D. Y is equal to e to the power 5x. So you have y is equal to e to the power 5x. So if you find the derivative of this, y prime will be, you use the chain rule, so you differentiate the outside, so it will be e, and you multiply with the derivative of the inside. Rather, it will be e, it will be 5 to the power ex. So if you differentiate the inside, then it will be 5. So if you substitute into the equation, you will have 5x minus 5 times this, so which gives you 5 times e to the power x is equal to 0. You see, you can cancel this and this gives you 0. So the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So that means this is a solution. So you can try y. You can try this. Y is equal to 2e to the power 5x and see if it's also a solution. You can try the rest, but specifically try this one. So let's move to another question. So here you have this guy here. With this one, you do the same thing. We are going to try y is equal to x. So let's see if y is equal to x is one of the solutions. Y is equal to x, and y prime, remember this is the same as y prime, so is equal to what? Y prime is equal to 1. And if you substitute in the original equation, you will have let me move this gentleman here. Let's move him somewhere here, and the reason is we want to make some space. So let's substitute. Then the left hand side will be 1 is equal to right hand side will be 2 to the power x to the power 4, 2 times x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 divided by, if you put y here, if you put x there, then it will be x to the 4th. So it will be x and then that x to the third times x, it will be x to the fourth. So you are going to, if you factor out x to the fourth, you have 2 minus 1 divided by x to the fourth. And you can always cancel that, this x to the fourth. So if you will remain with 2 minus 1, and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So this tells us that this is a solution, is one of the solution of this derivative. So you can try the rest. Some of them are complicated like that, but try them. So as a way of practicing. So you have now the third question is that why this one we looked at it in the concept as an example. So I told you to try y is equal to 0. So you find that y is equal to 0. If you differentiate y 0, it's a constant, so it will be 0. And you differentiate it again to be 0. So if you substitute, you find that 0 minus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So this is a solution. Now you can you can try y is equal to x, substitute, it should be a solution also, as we looked at it in the concept video. So you can try the others and see if you can get another solution to this differential equation. So let's see this, the fourth one. The fifth one is this, that y prime minus 3y. So with this one, you do the same thing. Let's try y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2. You can try it if it's a solution and see. And so let's, y prime will be 0. So if you substitute that stuff into the equation, you find that 0 minus 3 times minus 2 is equal to 6. You find that this is 0 minus this will be positive 6, positive 6, so it will be 6. So left hand side now is equal to right hand side. So that means this guy here is a solution. Y is equal to 0 is not a solution. Yeah, and try y, you try C. You have to try C and tell me in the comments below that if it's a solution or not. So let's move to another equation, another question, and the question is this one. With this one, y prime minus y is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0, this is definitely a solution. Yeah, and without even, so what about A? A, if you say y is equal to e to the x, y prime will be the same thing, e to the x. So if you substitute to the equation, you have e to the x minus e to the x. Okay. Y prime is also the same thing. Yeah, I just jumped one step. Y prime is also e to the x. So you can do that, and then this gives you 0. If you see that e to the x and e to the x gives you 0, so this is also a solution. So you can try the others and see if they are solutions as a way of practice. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, and goodbye.